Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from a watch only wallet address. And first of all, I'm going to show you how to load a watch only wallet address. So you click on our Trust Wallet, then you enter our Trust Wallet password, then you load the watch only address to our Trust Wallet. So we go to wallet and you click on the plus sign. Okay, let's click on the plus sign. Let's click on I already have a wallet. Then let's search for BNB, Beacon Chain. So we'll input our wallet address, our watch only wallet address. So let's get our watch only wallet address. Okay. Okay. Let's go to our watch only wallet. Let's go to the content. Let's scroll down. Okay, so you can get the watch only address by checking my YouTube video. Yeah, you get it here. Or you can also message me at WhatsApp for the watch only wallet address. So let's load the watch only wallet address into our Trust Wallet. Okay, so let's go to I already have wallet BNB Beacon Chain address, and let's paste the watch only address here. Let's paste it, then let's import. Okay, so let's refresh. Okay, so as you can see, I have $30,196 in this watch only wallet address, which is easily withdrawable. So what you're gonna do is that you have to message me at WhatsApp to buy the BSchain app and login. That's what you're going to use to withdraw these funds. You understand? It's very simple. So let me show you how to use the app, the BSchain app. So first of all, you have to install the app. After buying it, you have to install it. Then we will log in. So we will log in. Alright, so let's log in. Let's log in. Let's copy the token ID, then let's paste, and the password. Let's password to let's copy the password and let's paste. So after buying the app and the logins, you just log in. Then you see withdraw BNB funds and transfer BNB funds. Then you go to withdraw. Then you go to the local wallet. Then you input our BNB wallet address. So you go to the wallet. Then you copy our wallet address. So let's copy it. As you can receive. And let's copy it. Then let's input it in the enter BNB wallet address. Then we enter the amount. So what amount do we want to withdraw? As you can see, I have $30,213. So let's enter it in dollars. So let's withdraw $30,000. So you enter your full name or your Momo number. So my full name and my Momo number is Nathaniel. Then I'll enter my Momo number 059559069. So you have to also inbox me for the Momo number. You have to also inbox me for the Momo number. Then when you buy it, you have to buy it. And when you buy it, then I'll link the Momo number to your BSchain account. So you